Hi, my name is Sandeep Kulkarni, and in this series of videos, we're going to take a look at the breakdown of the Sustain Simple project, which had the fish depletion animation. So let's play the animation first. So this is a real nice animation, which is telling us a story about the depletion of fish in our oceans over the years, and how we'll not be left with any fish in 2048. So you can see in 2048 that last fish dying over there. So it's a nice public service announcement, and the good thing I like about this animation is it's using really simple objects in Maya to convey a very strong message. So let's pause this. So here's the file that we're going to discuss, and as you can see in this file, these over here are all pre-model assets that have been provided to us, and our job is to work with these existing objects and tell a story. We are not making any new objects. So basically, you can imagine the scene as you have your actors right here in terms of these objects. You have your lights and your costumes. The costumes could be over here, your textures, which you can see right here, the wood texture. Then you have your stage, which is this platform right here. And then all you're doing is you're playing the role of a director by making sure that the actors do their part properly, they act properly, and they convey a nice story. So in this case, it would be animating the objects properly so that your story and your message is conveyed. So in the next few set of videos, what we're going to do is we're going to do a breakdown of the scene in terms of its existing assets and also the lights and textures. But our main focus is going to be to discuss the animation techniques that we use to animate the different school of fish. So our goal is to understand some of the animation techniques so that you can take a scene similar to this one when you will be provided with the assets, and then you can just animate these assets to tell a story. This is a very standard approach in animation where you will be provided with everything, and your job as an animator is to make sure that the animation works so that the message is conveyed and the story is nicely told. So I'll see you in the next set of videos. So just one quick thing about the files that you guys are going to get. So you'll have a folder called savefish_3D files. So this is where all the 3D files are at. So if you go to the scenes folder, you have the sustain_1, then you have the fly where I show a little butterfly or a fly animation. So you have a not done and done Maya file. Then you also have, I show an animation with, while using those simple objects in the scene, I refer to them as buffalo and deer. So again, there's done and not done. And this is the sustained fish depletion animation. And I use that in one of the technical videos, so you would, if you want to open that and watch the video, here's that one. And here's the sustain_your_title_version 1, which pretty much has all the assets that have been provided and nothing's been animated. So you can pretty much take that and do your own idea with this file right here, the sustain_your_title_version 1. And then if I go back over here, you have the savefish_learning videos, and this is where you'll have all the technical videos, starting with the overview. So I would watch that first, and then I would watch these in order, all the way from 02 through 09, and then finally the summary.